discuss about previous class. Already I have given the definition of standard enthalpy of formation. Previous class I have already given the definition of standard enthalpy of formation. So what is standard enthalpy of formation? It is defined as the amount of enthalpy. It is defined as the amount of heat change when one mole of the compound or substance is formed from its element in their standard state. So it is defined as the amount of heat change. It is defined as the heat change when one mole of the compound or substance is formed from its element in standard state, or enthalpy of formation occurring at standard state. Enthalpy of formation occurring at standard state is called standard enthalpy. Enthalpy of formation occurring at standard state is called standard enthalpy. That is standard enthalpy of formation. So the standard by del H F not greater. Del H F 0 or del H F not. If you should read it, del H F not. Clear? So next is the fact that standard enthalpy of formation. Next, how can what is the standard condition? 298 Kelvin or 28 degrees centigrade and 1 atm pressure. That is the standard condition. So very important thing is standard enthalpy of formation of all elements in the reference state is 0. Reference state is most stable state. What is the reference state? That is most stable state. So standard enthalpy of formation of all elements in their reference state is 0. Other than reference state, that is not 0. Other than reference state, say standard enthalpy. Suppose carbon graphite form 0 standard enthalpy of formation, but carbon diamond form is not 0. Diamond form is not 0. So this is not reference state. A graphite is reference state. Graphite is reference state. Here, graphite is the most stable state. In between graphite, carbon exists in different electronic form. Carbon 3 electronic form. Diamond, graphite, fullerenes. ता विच जोटा most stable state थिबो सेटा ला reference state. सेटा ला जोटा ता विच most stable state थिबो सेटा ला most कोडा graphite का most stable state. Clear? So standard enthalpy of formation of all elements in their reference state is 0. That is H2, O2, N2, Cl2, F2, I2 solid, Fe element, Br2 liquid, phosphorus, white phosphorus, sulfur, rhombic sulfur. এই ফর্মুলারে এলিমেন্টস গুলো যদি 0 আসিব, বাকি H2 I2 টা সলিড ফর্মে 0 আসিব, Br গুলো লিকুইড ফর্মে 0 আসিব। এলিমেন্টস গুলো কি 0 আসিব। এলিমেন্টস গুলো কি সিঙ্গেল ফর্মে আর ফসফরাস সাপোজ হোয়াইট ফসফরাস রেড ফসফরাস টা 0 আসিব। এটা রেফারেন্স স্টেট। সো সালফার rhombic sulfur exists in four form: rhombic, monoclinic, liquid, vapor. Sulfur exists in four forms: rhombic, monoclinic, liquid, vapor. But most stable state is rhombic. So rhombic ka 0 asbo, other ka 0 asbo nai. Other state will not be 0. So standard enthalpy formation of all elements in the reference state is 0. That is, these are the example. Next, how can we calculate standard enthalpy of formation? This is standard enthalpy of formation. So summation of enthalpy of formation. How can you calculate standard enthalpy of formation? Standard enthalpy of formation of product minus summation of standard enthalpy of formation of reactant. Del H naught is standard enthalpy of formation. Standard enthalpy of formation of product minus standard enthalpy of formation of reactant. Is that clear? Next we will discuss the problem. Basing upon this formula, this is the formula. So can you take the standard enthalpy of formation? How can you calculate standard enthalpy of formation? Can you formula ala del H naught is standard enthalpy of formation. এটা কারিও দেখো summation of standard enthalpy of formation जातिब तार वैल्यू माइनस summation of formation standard enthalpy of formation of reactant. Look at this problem. I am solving this question. So product minus reactant. So this is del H naught is standard enthalpy of formation. I am writing the question first. What is the question? Question: calculate the del H naught for the reaction. Calculate the del H naught for the reaction. So here to calculate the del H naught for the reaction, CH4 plus 4F2, CH4 plus 4F2 এটা দেবো কত CF4 plus CF4 plus 4H. Calculate the del H naught for the reaction CH4 plus 4F2 CF4 plus 4H. Given that question of the given that the enthalpy of formation of the data CH4 CF4 and HFR data नहीं कहते minus 75 minus 680 and minus 269 kilojoule per mole. ये तीन data is. Look at this question. This is the data he has given. So we have to calculate minus 75 minus 680 minus 269 kilojoule per mole. So we have to calculate the standard enthalpy of formation, standard enthalpy of reaction. देखो what is the standard enthalpy of reaction? So we know that del is not equal to summation of product minus reactant. Del is not equal to summation of del is F naught product minus summation of del is F naught reactant. So product side CF4 and HF. CF4 and HF. How can you calculate? Look at it. Del is F naught CF4. CF4 का तो इस देखो minus 680 minus. Look at here product is CF4 HF. Del is F naught CF4. Formula का product minus reactant. Del is summation of del is F naught product. Summation of del is F naught CF4 plus del H F naught HF into 4 HF into 4 minus del H F naught CH4 del H F naught CH4 plus del H F naught F2 into 4 F2 into 4 so minus minus F HF HF है minus 269 into 4 এটা ওটা করবে minus del H F naught CH4 CH4 is minus 75 plus F2 is 0 into 4 calculation look at CF4 कितना है 680 minus 680 HF minus 269 into 4 minus of del H F naught CH4 is how much minus 75 plus 0 into 4 0 into 4 this is 0 this will be 0 so then calculate कितना है calculate minus 680 minus 4 34 को 6 3 424 3 27 36 3 424 3 27 2 4 8 10 minus of 75 এটা कितना है शुरू कर माइनस जहाँ इसमें से ये ला माइनस कितना माइनस 1685 माइनस 1681 माइनस 1681 कॉन्ट्रेज किलोजूल पर किलोजूल खाली किलोजूल this is this look at this এই বলে क्वेश्चन দিলে কোন করিব ফার্স্ট ফর্মুলা লিখো ফার্স্ট del H naught equal to summation of del H F naught product minus summation of del H F naught reactant product minus reactant product minus reactant product का है CF4 और HF del H F naught CF4 plus del H F naught HF into 4 minus del H F naught CH4 plus del H F naught F2 into 4 बटन এটা হলো প্রোডাক্ট সাইড এটা লিখে দাও এটা হলো রিঅ্যাক্ট্যান্ট সাইড এটা লিখে দাও বটন del H F naught CF4 क्या लगाते हैं CF4 minus 680 del H F naught HF minus 269 into 4 minus del H F naught CH4 लगाते हैं minus 75 F2 is जानी चाहिए standard enthalpy of formation of all elements in their reference state is 0 F2 कितने value that is 0 so 0 into 4 आपने calculation करते हैं this is the value so this is you can calculate standard ए भलिया problem कर परिबो next problems कराइबो कोई problem करिबो आ गोटे क्वेश्चन दउची next question which one is correct which one is the question का which one is correct question formation of ethyl alcohol. Formation of ethyl alcohol. There is the first way. Energy C2H5OH. Second bit is 4C. 4C na 2C hoche. 4C plus 6H2. 6H2 plus O2. Two C plus 2H2 2C plus 3H2 2C plus 3H2 plus half O2. Half O2 এটা দেব C2H5. So which is correct? Look at it. This is very important question. Which is correct? A question formation of ethyl alcohol. समझो कौन है ethyl alcohol formula C2H5OH C2H5OH. देखो enthalpy of formation कौन कहला definition टा? It is defined as the amount of heat change when one mole of the substance or compound is formed from its element. এটি দেখো এটা 1 mole formation হইছে, এটা কত হইছে 2 আছে 2 moles, তাহলে এটা করে ক্যান্সেল হয়ে গেল। এটা কত হলো 1 mole, বলতে এই তিনটা হইলো 1 mole সঙ্গে 1 mole হইলো, কিন্তু এইটা এলিমেন্টস কি, এটা এলিমেন্ট নয়, তাহলে এটা ক্যান্সেল হয়ে গেল। তারপর এটা যদিও এলিমেন্টস হইছে এটি ওয়াটার হয়ে যাচ্ছে, এটা কত হইছে ওয়াটার হয়ে যাচ্ছে, এলিমেন্টস কি এলিমেন্টস নয়, তাহলে হুইচ ইজ কারেক্ট? IV is correct. IV is correct because on এগুলা সব এলিমেন্টস নাই, এটা all are elements. Carbon, H2O2, these are all element. So enthalpy of এটা भी 1 mole আছে, এটা भी 1 mole আছে, এটা भी all reactants are elements. All reactants are elements. Clear? All reactants are elements. So this is a enthalpy of formation of ethyl alcohol or formation of ethyl alcohol, enthalpy of formation of ethyl alcohol, which is correct. This is the correct answer because look at here 1 mole সম্পূর্ণ এটা 2 moles আগে কটি গেল, বাকি গুলো সব 1 mole দিন হইলা, এতে কোন আছে ইথিন, এটা নট এলিমেন্টস, এইটা যদি এলিমেন্টস এটা তো 2 moles আছে, এটা সিম্পল কটি, বাকি এথিন ওয়াটার আছে, ওয়াটার এলিমেন্টস হবে বলা, এটা কি কটিলা, তারপরে বাকি হইলা এটা। দিস ইজ all reactants are element and it is also 1 mole. 1 mole of compound is formed from its element, that is called enthalpy of formation. So this answer will be correct. এটা enthalpy লিখবো, সরি enthalpy of formation of ethyl alcohol. Enthalpy of formation of ethyl alcohol, which is correct? Enthalpy of formation of ethyl alcohol, which is correct. Here, next is enthalpy of combustion. Next is enthalpy of enthalpy of combustion, small c is enthalpy of combustion. The enthalpy of combustion, it is defined as the amount of heat change when 1 mole of the substance completely reacted in presence of oxygen. जेतेबेले गोटे मोल सब्सटेंस टा रिएक्ट करिवो का प्रेजेंस रे, ऑक्सीजन प्रेजेंस रे 1 mole of the substance is completely burnt in presence of oxygen to give the product, that is called enthalpy of combustion. enthalpy of combustion ला केते हीट चेंज होबो जेतेबेले गोटे मोल सब्सटेंस टा ऑक्सीजन सहित रिएक्ट करके प्रोडक्ट दबो, हाउ मच ऑफ हीट इज लिबरेटेड। जेतेबेले गोटे मोल सब्सटेंस टा ऑक्सीजन सहित रिएक्ट करिवो एवं जो हीट लिबरेट करिवो ताकू कोन कहै जिवो, enthalpy of combustion. enthalpy of combustion, so definition, it is defined as the amount of heat change. It is defined as the amount of heat change when 1 mole of substance is completely burned in presence of oxygen. It is defined as the amount of heat change when 1 mole of substance is completely burned in presence of oxygen. এটা হলো যেতিকি হিট চেঞ্জ হবে, যেতিকি হিট লিবারেট করিব যেতବେଳେ গোটে মোল সাবস্টেন্স টা বর্ন করিব কাহা প্রেজেন্স রে, অক্সিজেন প্রেজেন্স রে। গোটে মোল সাবস্টেন্স টা অক্সিজেন প্রেজেন্স রে বর্ন করি প্রোডাক্ট দব, কেতে হিট লিবারেট করিব, that is called enthalpy of combustion. So what is enthalpy of combustion? It is defined as the amount of heat change when 1 mole of the substance is completely burnt in presence of oxygen to give the product. এই যে enthalpy of combustion, it always exothermic. सब बेले हीट टा कोन करबो, लिबरेट करियो माने हम जानि जे जो थर्मोकेमिकल रिएक्शन रे हीट टा लिबरेट करियो ताको कोन कहै जाय, एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन. सो enthalpy of combustion is always exothermic in nature, that is del H is negative. Enthalpy of combustion is always exothermic in nature, that is del H is negative. So exothermic, so एठी कोन करिवो, enthalpy of combustion reaction में heat टा liberate हो, combustion reaction कोन हो, heat टा liberate करिवो. So del H value केते आसीबो, जदी heat टा liberate करिवो किबा रिलीज करिवो del H value is negative, जदी absorb करिवो ताले del H value positive. तनो एठी कोन हो, del H value टा सब बेले कोन आसीबो, negative. That is exothermic reaction. Next example, carbon plus examples of enthalpy of combustion: carbon plus oxygen, carbon dioxide gas. एटी कोन करिवो, del H टा नेगेटिव আছে, -94.3. -90. Carbon plus oxygen that gives carbon dioxide. Carbon plus oxygen that gives carbon dioxide. That is -94.3 kilocalorie per mole. So एठी कोन हीट का लिबरेट करा, तब जो थर्मोकेमिकल रिएक्शन हीट का लिबरेट करिवो ताको कोन कहजो, एक्सोथर्मिक. जोटी एब्जॉर्ब करिवो ताको कहजो कोन, एंडोथर्मिक. क्लियर. So the thermochemical reaction in which heat is released, that is exothermic. The thermodynamic reaction in which heat is absorbed, that is endothermic. So carbon plus oxygen, carbon dioxide gas वाला heat का liberate वाला और release वाला that is called negative. minus 94.3 kilocalorie calorie per mole. এটা kilocalorie में calorie per mole. जाने यूनिट थी एग्जाम भलो देखो ହେଲା. So this is the reaction. এই যে গোটে एग्जांपल गोटे आउट रिएक्शन दोछि देखो CH4 प्लस डेल H का कोन आसीबो डेल H का नेगेटिव आसी -212.6 So C is for gas. C is for plus 2 or 2 CO2 gas plus 2 H2 liquid that is -212.6 -212.6 kilocalorie per mole -212.6 kilocalorie per mole मतलब এই বলিয়া যেটা ইকুয়েশন দিবা আর ব্যালেন্সিং এর উপরে ট্রিক্স দউছি ঠিক আছে CX HY X plus Y by 4 O2 X CO2 gas Y by 2 H2O liquid. Look at এই ইকুয়েশনটা দেখো x কত এটা হলো x1 y হলো 4 পুট করা এখানে x হলো 1 y হলো 4 এদিকে দেখো x plus y by 4 x হলো 1 1 plus 4 by 4 4 by 4 1 1 plus 1 2 x CO2 x হলো কত 1 1 CO2 এদিকে দেখো y by 2 y হলো 4 4 by 2 that is 2h that is 2h এই ওই ইকুয়েশন দিলে এই ফর্মুলাটা পাবো CX HY वाला दिले এই ফর্মুলাটা পাবো x1 x হলো number of carbon y হলো number of hydrogen clear so combustion reaction of all hydrocarbons react in presence of oxygen to give the product that is heat is released that is the example of enthalpy of combustion that is the enthalpy of combustion next that is the example of enthalpy of combustion so এই ফর্মুলা পকেই তুমি করি পারিব কোশ্চেন ক্লিয়ার next enthalpy of neutralization enthalpy of neutralization enthalpy of neutralization enthalpy of neutralization और ये क्या है heat of enthalpy of neutralization or heat of neutralization enthalpy of neutralization or heat of neutralization so it is defined as the enthalpy change when 1 mole of the base 1 gram equivalent of acid is neutralized by 1 gram equivalent of base যেতবেলে 1 gram equivalent of acid টা neutralize হবো 1 gram equivalent of base সহিত जो heat টা liberate হবো তাকে কোন কোয়া দিব enthalpy of neutralization যে 1 gram equivalent of acid 1 gram equivalent of acid is neutralized by 1 gram equivalent of base the amount of heat evolved, that is called enthalpy of neutralization. तेणु जेतेबेले 1 ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट एसिड टा रिएक्ट करिवो 1 ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट ऑफ बेस सहित सॉल्ट और वाटर दबो सेठी हीट टा लिबरेट हो सेठी कोन हो हीट टा लिबरेट हो जो हीट टा लिबरेट करिवो that is called enthalpy of neutralization or heat of neutralization. So enthalpy of neutralization or heat of neutralization definition, it is defined in the amount of heat change. It is defined as the heat change when 1 gram. It is defined the heat change when 1 gram equivalent of acid is neutralized. 1 gram equivalent. It is defined as the heat. It is defined as the heat change when 1 gram equivalent of acid is neutralized by 1 gram equivalent of base. It is defined as the heat change when 1 gram equivalent of acid is neutralized by 1 gram equivalent of base. जेतेबेले 1 ग्राम एसिड टा न्यूट्रलाइज हो बेस द्वारा जो हीट टा लिबरेट करबा ताको कोन कहै छै एंथैल्पी ऑफ न्यूट्रलाइजेशन. So example HCl plus NaOH HCl plus NaOH NaCl plus water. HCl plus NaOH कर दो NaCl plus water एटी डेले चला minus 57.1. देखो ए नंबर फिक्स 57.1 किलोजूल पर मोल 57.1 किलोजूल पर मोल এটা হলো ফিক্স ভ্যালু. অ্যাসিড এটা হলো 1 গ্রাম ইকুইভ্যালেন্ট 1 গ্রাম ইকুইভ্যালেন্ট অ্যাসিড 1 গ্রাম equivalent base 1 gram equivalent acid react with 1 gram equivalent of base 1 gram equivalent acid 1 gram equivalent base it gives salt plus water minus 57.1 kilojoule per mole minus 57.1 kilojoule per mole এটা minus 13.7 কিলো ক্যালোরি এটা লিখতে দিব minus 13.7 কিলো ক্যালোরি per mole. minus 13.7 kilocalorie per mole. Clear? So acid with the base react kala salt plus water kala eta kete asbo minus 57.1 kilojoule per mole or minus 13.7 kilocalorie per mole. Hela so eta asbo generally strong acid strong base. Jodi if we take weak acid and weak base this value will not come because dissociation is complete. Eti strong acid strong base mele dissociation will be complete. Weak acid weak base mele dissociation incomplete or partial dissociation will occur, partial dissociation or ionization will occur. So this value will not come. Clear? This value will not come. So enthalpy of neutralization the average value less than this if we take weak acid and weak base. So if we take weak, why एठी स्ट्रॉंग एसिड एठी वैल्यू आछे जदि हम वीक एसिड वीक बेस नबा इफ वी टेक वीक एसिड एंड वीक बेस this value will not come a value asibo nahi this value will be less than this because complete ionization in case of weak acid and weak base complete ionization or dissociation will not occur hela so this is enthalpy of neutralization next is enthalpy of fusion next is enthalpy of next is enthalpy of fusion enthalpy of enthalpy of fusion it is defined as the amount of heat change when 1 mole of the solid is converted into liquid it is defined as the amount of it is defined as the amount of it is defined as the amount of heat change when it is defined the amount of heat change when 1 mole of solid when 1 mole of solid is it is defined as the amount of heat change it is defined the amount of heat change when 1 mole of the solid is converted into 1 mole of the solid is converted into liquid देखो फ्यूजन का कौन at its melting point at its फ्यूजन ला गोटे मोल सॉलिड का कन्वर्टेबल लिक्विड आइस टा कन्वर्टेबल वाटर 1 mole of the solid is converted into liquid at its melting point suppose water solid is ice converted to water liquid Delaunay's fusion এটা ভ্যালু আসছে +6.0 so here what happens solid is converted to liquid fusion means solid convertible liquid fusion means 1 mole of solid ta convertible liquid so enthalpy of fusion solid ta ye convertible kete amount of heat se change hobo heat absorb hobo kima evolve hobo eta absorb hobo eti absorb hobo delage is positive so heat will be absorbed ice ta heat absorb kale melt karibo na eta heat deliver karibo ice ta heat absorb kale water ko convert so it is defined the amount of heat change when 1 mole of solid is converted into liquid at its melting point clear so it is defined the amount of heat change when 1 mole of solid is converted into liquid at its melting point very clear next enthalpy of evaporation enthalpy of evaporation enthalpy of enthalpy of vaporization. It is defined as the amount of heat change when 1 mole of liquid is converted into vapor at its boiling point. At its boiling point. At its what? Boiling point. Say water liquid na eti koro water liquid water gas Delage is evaporation 43.93. So what happens? It is defined the amount of heat change when 1 mole of liquid evaporation liquid ta convert hobo gas or vapor. Liquid ta it is defined the amount of heat change when 1 mole of liquid is converted into vapor at its boiling point. 1 mole of liquid converted to 1 mole of gas. जो amount of heat absorbed that is enthalpy of vaporization. This is enthalpy of vaporization. Next is enthalpy of sublimation. तब ऐसे वाला लिक्विड टा कन्वर्ट होला गैस को प्रीवियस कंट्रोल होइतला सॉलिड टा कन्वर्ट होइतला लिक्विड तापरे नेक्स्ट इज enthalpy of sublimation. It is defined as the amount of heat change when 1 mole of solid is directly converted into vapor. 1 mole of solid is directly converted into its vapor below its melting point. 1 mole of solid is directly converted into vapor below its melting point. Below its melting point. देखो एठी कोला जेतरे 1 mole of solid टा डायरेक्ट कन्वर्ट होला 1 mole of solid टा डायरेक्टली कन्वर्ट होला वेपर को गैस. That is I2 solid, I2 gas. I2 solid, I2 gas. Del is equal to plus 62.34 kilojoule per I2 solid converted to I2 gas. I2 solid converted to I2 gas that is equal to plus 62.34 kilojoule per mole. So enthalpy of sublimation, it is defined as the amount of heat change when 1 mole of solid is directly converted to vapor. Fusion होला solid converted to liquid. तापरे fusion पर कौन आसिला? Vaporization, liquid converted to gas, sublimation, directly solid converted to vapor or gas. Directly solid converted to vapor or gas. That is enthalpy of sublimation. Yeah. So ये definition खाली पचरिबो तरो fusion होला solid to liquid, vaporization होला liquid to gas, sublimation होला solid to directly converted to gas or vapor. So next is enthalpy of solution. Next is enthalpy of solution. Enthalpy of solution. Enthalpy of solution. It is defined as the amount of heat change when 1 mole of gaseous, when 1 mole of solid is completely dissolved. When 1 mole of solute is completely dissolved. It is defined as the amount of heat change when 1 mole of solute is completely dissolved in large excess of solvent. In large excess of solvent, so that on further dilution no heat change occurs. So that on further dilution no heat change occurs. It is defined the amount of heat change when 1 mole of solid is completely dissolved in large excess of solvent. Small 1 mole of solid, very small amount, solvent is large amount. Suppose पानी रे तुमे चीनी मिसेलो, अल्प चीनी मिसेलो, पानी डाला solvent, solute डाला कौन चीनी, जोड़ा स्मॉलर क्वांटिटी सेटा solute, जोड़ा लार्जर क्वांटिटी, सॉल्यूशन रे सॉल्यूशन कंसिस्ट ऑफ solute प्लस solvent. सपोज पानी ग्लास नेलो, गोटे ग्राम चीनी मिसेलो कि गोटे बुंदा चीनी मिसेलो, सेटा solute, पानी डाला solvent. से कहूची when 1 mole of solute is completely dissolved in large excess of solvent, so that on further dilution no heat change occurs. जेतबेले गोटे मोल solute टा मिसेइबो कोथरे large excess of solvent, so that आउ अधिका मिसेले कोन no heat change होबो नाही. आउ अधिका मिसेले further dilution करे heat change occur होबो नाही. ताको कोन कहै दिबो enthalpy of solution. Enthalpy of solution NaCl plus aqueous एटा NaCl plus aqueous, NaCl water मिसेली एटा करा छ एटा डाले छला पॉजिटिव डाले plus 5.35 kilojoule per mole, 5.35 kilojoule per mole. So this is enthalpy of solution. Next is enthalpy of ionization. Enthalpy of ionization. It is defined as the amount of heat when 1 mole of gaseous atom it is defined the amount of heat change when 1 mole of gaseous atom. 1 mole of gaseous atom is converted into 1 mole of gaseous atom is converted into monovalent positively charged. Converted into monovalent positively charged. That is the enthalpy of ionization. NaCl एटा Na gas suppose Na gas अछि एटा कोन देबो Na plus ইলেকট্রন এটা আয়নাইজেশন এটা আছে প্লাস 14 18 sorry 4 9 5 this is all about enthalpy of ionization ionization gas का कन्वर्ट होगा आयन को गैस का कन्वर्ट होगा आयन amount of heat change that is enthalpy of ionization সমুদ্রে amount of heat change আগে দেখিবো কোটা কোটা কনভার্ট হচ্ছে enthalpy of sublimation নাই সরি enthalpy of fusion liquid টা না solid টা কনভার্ট হচ্ছে liquid enthalpy of vaporization liquid কনভার্ট হচ্ছে গ্যাস sublimation solid কনভার্ট হচ্ছে গ্যাস তারপরে enthalpy of solution আর enthalpy of ionization this is all about the types of enthalpy next class we will discuss Hess's law very important Hess's law thank you